Okay, let's start class. So again, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our math class. All right, so I want you to get your math workbook and then turn on page number 1. Page number 1. Let's answer your homework. All right, so we will answer your homework. So for the last 2 weeks class, we learned about numbers from 1 to 10 and then 11 to 20. So now let's try to answer your homework if you got the correct answer, okay? I'm gonna share the PowerPoint that I have here. Just give me 1 second. All right, so again, open your workbook on page number 1. So let's try to answer number 2. So for number 1, there are 4 helicopters, right? So for number 2, how many planes do you see? If you want to answer, you can turn on your microphone. So how many planes are there?
1 plane.
1 plane. So 1 spells like O-N-E and then write the number 1. Okay, try to check.
Yes.
Okay, try to check your answer. Try to check, okay? Try to check your answer. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. How many submarines are there? 2. How do you spell number 2?
2.
How do you spell?
T-U-O.
It's T-W-O. And then right? Oh, I'm sorry. This one is wrong, nah? This one is 2. I'm sorry. This is not 3. This is number 2. Do not mind number 3. This is wrong. Okay, next. How many bicycles are there?
3.
How do you spell number 3?
T-H-R-E-E.
Very good. So you have to write number 3 over here and then the word. All right. Now for the next object. How many ships are there?
6.
Okay. How do you spell number 6?
S-I-T.
S-I-X. Okay.
Six.
And the next object, how many rockets are there?
5.
How do you spell number 5?
F-I-V-E.
Okay, that's F-I-V-E and then number 5. And here, how many tractors? How many tractors are there?
10.
10. How do you spell number 10?
T-E-N.
Okay, very good. And how many ambulance cars are there? Oh, how many police cars?
9.
How do you spell number 9?
N-I-N-E.
Okay, very good. And this one, how many boats are there?
8.
How do you spell 8? Very good. And what about here? And the last picture, how many bus or van are there?
7.
How do you spell? Okay, very good. All right, now turn your book to page number 2. Let's match the word and the number, okay? So for number 2, how do you spell number 5? Oh no, letter B, how do you spell number 5? How do you spell? That's F I-V-E. Okay. What about number 2? How do you spell number 2?
T-W-O.
Very good. T-W-O.
O.
All right. Letter D.
T-H-R-E.
Very good. T-H-R-E. What about number 6?
S-I-X.
Very good. S-I-X. What about letter F? How do you spell 0?
T-R-O.
Okay, that's R-O. And how do you spell 7? Okay, that's S-E-V-E-N. Okay, that's good. All right. Now, everybody, I want you to turn off your microphone. Teacher Maria will call you one by one, okay? I want you to turn off your microphone. I'm gonna call you one by one. Okay, let's start with Tengmo. For number 3, letter A, can you tell me the number? Tengmo. Here.
เป็นอย่างนี้
ดูดิ number อะไร
number 2
Okay, very good. Next, June. Letter B, what number is this? F-O-U-R. June, what number? Okay, what about Saimai? What number is this? F-O-U-R.
5
Ah, 5 law, F-O-U, 4. Okay, that's fine. And PK, letter C, what number is this? N-I-N-E.
ตอบดูนี่สิเพลงอะไรทำมัน
number 9
Okay, very good. And then number 4, write this numbers in words. Okay, let's try Prem. Prem, letter A, how do you spell this number? Can you write in words? Prem. How do you spell 1?
one
Okay, very good. Letter B.
E
Okay, very good. Letter B, apple. Apple. Can you give me the correct spelling of this number?
S
นูนี่ข้อนี้ number อะไร
6
How do you spell?
spell ด้วย
SIX
Okay, very good. That's S-I-X. Okay, next, Patty. Letter C. What number and tell me can you also tell me the spelling of this number?
CEN 10
Okay, very good. Good job. Now let's proceed to page number 3. Count and fill in the missing numbers. 1 has been done for you. So example class, this one, 3 onions, 1, 2, and 3. Now, who would like to answer this one? How many cups are there? I wanted to call Dada. How many cups are there? How many cups, Dada?
4
4, very good. Okay, next, how many saucepans? I want to call Mac. Mac, how many saucepan? This one. Mac, Mac, turn on your microphone. How many saucepans? How many saucepans? Saucepans เท่าไหร่ Two. Okay, very good. Next, Luktan. How many eggs are there?
10.
10. Very good. Teacher, what is the name of this
10.
boy, the bold one, wearing a red shirt and black? This one.
AJ.
Oh, AJ, I'm sorry. AJ, how many tomatoes are there? AJ, how many tomatoes are there?
5.
5. Very good. Next, let's try boat.
ทำไม่ได้
Boat, how many mushrooms are there? Boat, how many mushrooms are there? Turn on your microphone, please. Boat, how many mushrooms are there? All right, so there are nine mushrooms. Okay, now next page number 4. Now color the 8 of the flowers. So it will be look like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's how it looks like if you color 8 flowers. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It must be like this, all right? And then here, draw the triangle to show how many are in each number. 1 has been done for you. So example, 3. So there are 3 triangles. And this one, how many triangles supposed to be? Mangon, how many triangles here? How many triangles are here?
Triangle.
How many?
Number 7.
7. Very
Number
good.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here, how many triangles gone? So we have 7 and 9. For letter 8, I will check that when you get back here in school. Okay, now turn your book to page number 5. All right, so number 1, how many are there? How many cats are there? You can turn on your microphone. Everybody, you can turn on the microphone. 13. So that's 1 and 3. Okay, check your workbook. Check. And next, how many balloons are there? How many balloons are there? Oh, do not write anything. That's 16 balloons.
2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, next. How many pencils are there? How many pencils? So there are 20. All right, next page, page number 6. So how many birds are there?
1, 2, 12 birds.
Okay, very good. There are 12 birds. Letter B, how many coconut trees are there?
1.
How many coconut trees are there?
15.
So there are 15 coconut trees. And letter C, how many fruits are there? How many fruits are there?
22.
So there are 20.
19.
Do not mind the cherries, students. The cherries are not included. Okay, next page. Number 3. Now let's try to match the word and the number. Okay, for letter A, how do you spell this number? How do you spell? How do you spell this number?
TSIRTWEN.
Very good, Uphope. Good job. How do you spell this number? Good job. I can only hear Uphope. Okay, 20. And how do you spell this number? Very good. 18. Okay, now let's write the number, the numeral. Let's write the numeral, okay? For letter A, 11. What are the numbers here?
Teacher.
11.
Yes, that's 1 and 1. All right. What about for letter B? What are the numbers for 15?
โดดไปเอาตบยุงให้ญาติอ่ะ
Yes, 1 and
โน่น
5. Okay, what about for letter C? What are the numbers?
1 and 9.
1 and 9, okay. Next, what about here?
19.
2 and 0. Okay, now let's write the word. For 11, how do you spell? How do you spell? Can anyone tell me the spelling of this number?
11.
How do you spell?
11.
ให้สเปลเลข11ไงนะ11 อ่ะ
How do you spell? BLEVEN. What about for letter D? This one, number 14. How do you spell 14?
ตัวนี้14
Class, how do you spell 14? Very good. I only hear a poll. And letter C, 16. How do you spell 16? How do you spell? Okay, that's SIXTEEN, 16. All right. Now turn your book to page number 8. All right. So here, make 10, then count on. Write the numbers in words. Everybody, turn off your microphone. Turn off your microphone. Okay, I'm gonna call a student. All right. For letter A, how many cubes are there? Luktan, how many cubes are there?
พี่เชอร์หนูทำยังไม่เสร็จเลยให้นะ
How many cubes are there?
14.
14. And
14.
how do you spell 14? How do you spell 14?
FOURTEEN. 14.
Wow, very good. Okay. Now, letter B. How many cubes are there? How many cubes are there? Who would like to answer? Raise your hand.
No.
Who wants to
No.
answer? Raise your hand. Who wants to answer for letter B? Raise your hand. No one? Okay, I will call a name. I want Saimai. Saimai, for letter B, how many cubes are there?
17.
17. Now, how do you spell 17?
SEVEN. SVEN
นับซิว่าหมวกอันไหนควรจะไปอยู่กับอันไหน
TEN.
Again, one more time. Saimai, one more time. S.
เคยแก่ใช่ไหม
Saimai, one more time.
เหมือน
เยอะสุดแล้วเนี่ย
SEVENTEN.
Very good. Good job. So that's 17. Okay. All right. Now, let's proceed to the next topic. Okay. Now, this time, get your math textbook. And open on page number 10.
Number 10.
Get your math
Number
textbook and open on page number 10.
อยากจะค่อยนอน
เนี่ย
Okay, let me
Number 10.
share
เห็นอันนี้
the PowerPoint. Hold on.
มันไม่เป็นใช่ที่กันเลยอันนี้อ๋อเป็นภาพเฉยและงานเรื่องไม่ดีนะ
All right, so let's proceed to our next topic, class. Oh, where are you? Hold on. Class, do not touch anything. All right, now, our new topic is all about comparing numbers, okay? So look at the picture. Everybody turn off your microphone. Okay, listen. So we have 4 children. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 children and there are 4 apples. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, we have 4 children and we have 4 apples. Listen, the number of children is equal to the number of the apples. Okay, again, so there are 4 children and 4 apples. So the number of children is equal to the number of apples. Okay, so they are the same number. Next, now match and compare the group of toys below. So we have toy cars and we have toy animals. How many toy cars are there? How many toy cars? Can anyone tell me how many toy cars are there? Toy cars, how many? 8, very good. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 toy cars. And how many toy animals are there? How many toy animals? 5. So there are 5 toy animals. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's draw a line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 cars. Remember, we have 8 cars. And then here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 toy animals. So all you have to do is to write or draw a line from each toy car and animals. Let's try. All right, now question, class. Are they equal? Yes or no? Are they equal? Yes or no?
No.
No. This one is not
No.
equal because toy cars is greater than the toy animals because toy cars are 8 and then toy animals are only 5. So this one is not equal. Okay, let's proceed to the next page. So look at this example. So again, there are 8 toy cars, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And there are only 5 toy animals, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here's the solution. There are more toy cars than toy animals, which means 8 is greater than 5. So toy cars is greater than 5. There are less toy animals than toy cars. 5 is smaller than 8. Okay, question, class. Which one is greater? 8 or 5? Which one is greater? 8 or 5?
กว่าน้อยกว่าแบบอังกฤษ
แต่เป็นอังกฤษ
Which one is greater? Louder, please. 8. So 8 is greater than 5. Another question. Which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? 5 or 8? Which one is smaller?
น้อยกว่า
5
5. Okay. Another example. Which one is greater? 10 or 8? Which one is greater? 10 or 8? Which one is greater? Oh, turn off. Class, which one is greater? 10 or 8? Which one is greater? 10. Very good. Which one is smaller? 10 or 8? 8. So smaller is 8 and 10 is greater. Another example. Which one is greater? 6 or 9? Which one is greater, 6 or 9? 9. Very good, Patty. Which one is smaller, 9 or 6? Which one is smaller, 9 or 6? 6. Very good. Okay. All right, good job. Now, let's try to count these cubes, okay? Page number 11, letter A. This one is letter A, and this one is train B. So we have train A and train B. Now tell me, how many cubes in train A? How many cubes in train A? 11 cubes. Very good. There are 11 cubes in train A. What about in train B? How many cubes in train B? How many cubes in? Okay, so there are 8 cubes in train B. Now, which one is greater? Which one is greater? 11 or 8? Which one is greater? 11 or 8?
11.
Very good. Which one is smaller? 11 or 8? Okay, so A,
Yeah.
train A has 11 cubes. So A is greater than B. Okay, all right. So kids, we don't have so much time. That's all for today. Teacher Maria will send you your homework in our line group. Okay. All right, so that's all for today, class. Again, thank you, students. You're welcome. We will review again next time. Bye.